Hi, I'm Sherry and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've had any videos up. I apologize for that, but we've been dealing with a lot of health issues, thankfully not the coronavirus, but we've been having a lot of things and, family comes first. That said, I'm very excited. I have a bunch of new products, big projects that I'm working on, perhaps too many, but well, you got to do what you got to do. Now that I am retired from homeschooling, I can focus on some things that really interest me and I can give it more time and dedication, and one of them is gardening. Sadly, I don't know as much as I should on that, so I am thinking about maybe taking some gardening classes. My son's wife's father is a master gardener, so I think I'm going to pick his brain for some great ideas and help. But what I wanted to do was grab a planner that I could put all my notes and information in. I really want to plant things that attract butterflies and bees, and definitely things like hummingbirds, my faves, and other sorts of birds. So that is what my goal is here with this, and I'm really looking forward to watch this, come to life and become something that I can use as a resource. So it's more like a cataloging resource planner. So I went ahead and got the 8.5 by 11 Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planner in neutral. I really, really love the larger size. It is totally my jam. I have found planner piece, that's what people call it anyway. For these type of projects, I like the larger size so I can write more. And yes, it has 12 months, but I can easily cover up those dates, and I'm actually thinking of just whiting them out. But let's take a look real fast. Okay, so, this has till December of 2020. Big deal. I can always take those out if I have to. In this section, I could definitely write the must-dos in each month that you should for getting your garden planted and ready to go. Then, as you can see, it's much more demure than the colorful. I like it because it matches the cover a lot, and I also didn't want to compete with anything else I had going here. Another reason I wanted this is because it's dot grid over here. The colorful is lined, and this will allow me the ability to kind of sketch out some different layouts for my gardens. I'm probably going to cover the birthdays up with maybe something like what you must order seeds or type of things for your gardening, or maybe I can write classes down in there. And then I can easily, just like I said, I can white out all the dates, and then just in each block maybe put information per different type of plant or things like that, and maybe just have some kind of fun things on there, because when I go to do my actual gardening, I will use a more usable, up-to-date type of planner for that. And once that happens, of course, I'll let you know. But this will be like my reference book, so I'm just really looking forward to this. Per usual, you get the 4 or 5 pages of lined. Then you also get more lined in the back. I did not up the amount of lined paper because I do have some notebooks that could be used as well, but this should be sufficient for my needs for now. And that is what I have going here. I'm so excited. And I'm not excited. I can't turn this with one hand. Oh well. It works a little bit easier if you do it right. There we go. I also picked up the 2 new gardening sticker books from Happy Planner, and that was the whole reason. When I do my planning, it's almost always project planning outside of my life planning, and these bigger things require things such as gardening stickers, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I also bought the Happy Planner accessory thing that would go in a Happy Planner, so that's probably how I'm going to keep my seasonal information planner, of watering and yields and things I might do for next time different, and then I can transfer all that data into this because I really like the spiral bound for more of a permanent several usage type of planner. So there you go. These are really cool. If you want to see a flip through on these, I can do that. I don't think I've used any stickers out of here yet, but yeah, I can do that. Just leave a comment down below. I just thought I'd step on here and say, hey, hi guys, I hope you're all well. I just had to show off this pretty little planner. I mean, if I plan to craft, I'm also planning to garden. Again, this is the Erin Condren Deluxe monthly larger size, and these are the Happy Planner 2 gardening 1 and 2 stickers. So all right, be sure to stop in. I'm going to try and get more videos out as we go along here, and we'll just see how it goes. I hope you're all well, and until next time, folks, take Take care.